guys, today we're taking a look at a Craftsman YTS3000. It's got a 21 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. It's got a 42-inch cutting deck. Was recently serviced. Pretty simple machine. We've got deck lift here. There's your brake, parking brake set, ignition. If you want to mow in reverse, you have to switch it to this setting. Forward and reverse hydrostatic handle. Seat's in good shape. Cosmetically, it looks all right. If you're interested in this machine, if you have any questions about it, if you'd like to take it for a test spin or take it home, you can reach out to us at any time. All of our contact information is in the details below. Hey, thanks for watching.